Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is GFS Coach. First of all, let me wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Okay, I'm doing this video because I want to discuss a very important stuff that I noticed. Why trading on this competition account with you. Alright, so first of all, this is a demo competition with Anzo Capital. Okay, a friend of mine shared this competition with me. He won the first prize last year. Okay, so he shared the competition with me, and I'm also participating in the Anzo Capital trading competition for Nigerians. All right, so the competition started on the 5th of December, but I joined very late because I didn't remember the competition was on. Okay, so I joined because when I checked the scoreboard, I realized that the 10th position is still having a $15,000 account, And I was like, it's easy for me to still meet up. Okay, so if you still feel you can still beat the 10th position, you can still join. I'm currently at the 3rd position right now. Okay, so if you feel you can still join this competition, you can still join. You can still beat the 10th position. It's still possible for you to even beat the 6th position. Okay, all right. So the reason why I'm sharing I'm doing this video is because when my friend invited me, he's a swing traders. Okay, so he believed when you trade from higher time frame perspective, you can trade flawlessly. It's possible for you because you don't take too much trade and you don't leverage on the number of trades that you trade before you can make profit. So I'm doing this competition just to let him know that okay, you can trade as a day trader and still trade flawlessly. Okay, so when I started this account, I traded 2 weeks without closing any loss position, and I was able to take the balance to first week I took 10,000 to 32,000. Okay, the second week I took the 32 to 57. All right, so I just made this. I just added some few profit to it today. All right, but I made this loss on the 22nd of December. Let me show you on the chart. All right, so a friend of mine called this trade for me that I should buy gold around this 1795. All right, this particular exhaustion candle right here. But when I checked my own chart, I was telling the guy that I would prefer to buy at 1785, but says secure the position. So for me to secure the position, I entered the market here. Okay, so I was, and my RSI was actually overbought. Okay, if I'm on TDI was also giving me a sharp fin. Okay, so I actually trusted the signal he gave me. Okay, I actually trusted it because it's in line with my TDI, but it's not on a very key support. Okay, so what I was thinking was that maybe the market will respect this support, or at most respect this support right here. Okay, but it actually fails and break through. So when this candle break through that support I was looking at, I just knew I can't hold this position, so I had to close at a very small loss because I'm not willing to close any loss position on this account. Okay, so now I want to discuss how I'm able to do this, or how it can also apply to you. One, avoid taking too much of trade. Okay, so these are the stuff that I noticed because I was also trading on my own personal account and I closed a lot of losses and I even had drawdowns. Okay, so once I have drawdown on my account, then I'm still confident that the market will still push in that direction, so I just come in here and use a big lot, and the market will go in my direction. Okay, so first, don't take too much trade. Okay, and second, be specific about the kind of trade that you pick. Okay, so in this kind of if you want to achieve this kind of thing now, you might wait for your setup to be 100% ripe. Like, you don't just jump on any trade. Just for example, like I shared here, so I actually knew it's going to be a buy. Okay, but I was looking at, because I wanted to justify this entry here, I was looking at this support. Let me see if I can. So I was looking at this support because I wanted to justify this trade call. I was looking at this support below this candle. Okay, so I was thinking the market will bounce up from here, but after this I just knew the market will be reversing from here, but I can't wait because I was using a 5 block. So it will be better for me to have picked my trade from this point. Okay, so wait for your trade entry to be 100% perfect. I took a trade on GBUSD today. All right, so I picked my trade right from this support right here. Okay, I just knew the market is going to move up from here. Okay, so it's better for you to wait for your setup to be ripe before you jump on any trade. That's how you can, um take some trade that will give you more confidence and maybe probably trade flawlessly. All right, so I also made the same mistake right here. Not a mistake, but I jumped into the trade early. All right, so I was looking to sell GBP after taking the buy at this resistance right here. Okay, but from 5 minute perspective, I was seeing this pattern. I was seeing this M pattern. Okay, you can see that the market did excuse me. So after having this top here, the market come back to retest on this top again, giving us a M pattern. Okay, so after seeing this rejection candle, after this rejection candle and this bearish momentum, I just thought maybe the market will still sell to this point. Okay, I actually used a very small loss, 0.1 in 5 places. Okay, so but if I'm to sell, I'm supposed to wait for my entry around this point. Okay, and this is a resistance. I'm probably wait for a divergence before I go for a sell, but I was too early. Okay, I think the divergence is now forming. Okay, from 1 hour. Okay, not yet. So after confirming my divergence at this stop, I'm just going to edge this trade right there, maybe probably use a 5 lot or a 10 lot to edge the market back down to this entry, then I'll close all the positions. Okay, so my point is just wait for your setup to be ripe before, like, I mean 100% ripe before you jump on any trade. It will give you an edge in trading flawlessly, and then also if you can be very selective